Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of CreateWithBrenda.com. I'm Brenda Hillard, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here tonight to share with you an alternate project for the November Paper Pumpkin Kit called Winter Gifts. And this kit is adorable. Look at the box, is even adorable. I want to tell you before we get started, I'm really sorry about the shadows. I've been working really hard trying to get lighting right. I live in the land of ice and snow in Minnesota, and it is pitch black at 5 o'clock at night. So bear with me, and I'll try to figure something out so we don't have so many shadows. A little business to take care of. Again, I can be found at CreateWithBrenda.com. I also have a Facebook page. It is Create with Brenda Crafters. Please join us. It's kind of fun. I have monthly giveaways on there. Very nice prizes, so check it out. This month, my November host code is here. Anyone that orders $75 in product receives the Birds of a Feather stamp set free from me. So here is the Birds of a Feather, and it's really versatile. You've got a little Valentine's, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and Halloween. Halloween's over, but there's always next year. So $75 product order using this host code, I send you the Birds of a Feather stamp set free. And that is only until or through November 30th. So let me show you my alternate project. One other thing I should mention at Create with Brenda right now, I am offering 48 sheets, and they measure 5.5 by 8.5, so they will fold to make an A2 card, but 48 sheets of the coordinating colors for the winter woods and the winter gifts paper pumpkin. So if you subscribe the last 2 months, this pack of 48 sheets will coordinate with your paper pumpkin. I'm charging $10, and you would have to message me. You can private message me on Facebook, or you can email me at Brenda, SUEY, @yahoo.com, and I would be happy to send one of these out to you. This offer is only good, though, through 8 p.m. tomorrow. So November 22nd, 8 p.m., this little bundle of 48 sheets of coordinating cardstock for $10 plus shipping goes away. So if interested, and I do have a limited number too, so if you're interested, get a hold of me right away. All right, our card, I love it. It's again got the pool party. It's got everything really that comes in the kit, except for the Starburst Punch and the white baker's twine. And I'm going to tell you about these silver foil edged cards and matching envelopes. So here, let's get started doing this. So is what you're going to need. These foil edged cards are in the annual catalog on page 168. You get 20 cards and 20 envelopes for $10. So it's a really good deal, and again, I would be happy to sell you those if you do not have a demonstrator. They can be found, like I said, on page 168 in the annual catalog, and I do have my online store and on my blog as well, createwithbrenda.com. So, from the Paper Pumpkin Kit, you will need one of the large snowflakes, and these are the silver. You will need a piece, or the Poppy Parade circle from the kit. You will need the smallest snowflake from the kit. There's the pool party, kind of that ombre effect piece of cardstock that's in the kit, the pool party banner. And then is what I added to this, again, outside of the card base, is a piece of Poppy Parade, 3 inches by 4 3/4. And then I punched from the silver foil a Starburst using the Starburst punch. The Starburst punch can be found on page 186 in the annual catalog, so check it out there. All right, so this is a really fast, really easy card. Is what we're going to do first is our stamping, and there isn't much stamping, so I'm going to open up my Poppy Parade, and I'm just going to stamp my banner using the Winter Wishes. If you don't have one of these piercing pads, you really should invest these photopolymer stamps. You just get such a nice crisp image using the piercing pad, and those are in the annual catalog as well. The other thing we're going to stamp is the envelope, and I used the snowflakes. And everything we're doing is with the Poppy Parade ink. So just a little snowflake on the envelope, and can you see how detailed those little snowflakes are? They're really, really pretty. So next, we're going to stamp the inside sentiment in our card, and I'm using the sentiment from last month's Paper Pumpkin, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. And again in Poppy Parade, so I just put this right in the middle. Good. All right, and that's it for stamping. So to assemble our card, we're going to take our piece of Poppy Parade, and using snail, we are going to just add that and center it. And the Poppy Parade was cut so that there's about 1/4 of an inch all the way around. So that's going to go onto our card like so. Our Winter Wishes, we're going to pop up on a few regular size dimensionals. I have to laugh. I was at Onstage last week, and I was watching a presentation that Erica Serwin was doing, and she's like, a card just isn't a card unless it has, you know, 1,500 dimensionals, which don't we all love dimensionals? So there's that. This was from my previous alternate post. I had taken the the white baker's twine with the Poppy Parade re-inker in a Ziploc, or you know, a snack size bag, and just added, I wet the baker's twine, added a few drops of the Poppy Parade, and then mush it around in the plastic bag and let it dry, and then you get whatever color baker's twine you want. I'm just going to tie a little bow here. We'll just adjust a little bit. So our teeny tiny bow, and we'll trim our tails. And then using a mini glue dot, I'm just going to put that right there on the corner of our banner, and then we'll attach this to our card base, just kind of centering it in that foil edge. And then to assemble our medallion, we have our Starburst punch, and we need our big snowflake, and I just added some snail, put that on. Now our little snowflake here, oops, you guys, I forgot the Poppy Parade circle. Let's put that on here first. There. Now we can add to the Starburst. And then I'm going to use a mini dimensional, and the mini dimensional is a little bit big for the center of these little snowflakes, but it's okay because it doesn't show up. And when you put this on, just make sure that the spokes of the snowflake alternate. And then is what I did is we have I have them at a moment. The sequins from the Paper Pumpkin kit. Where did they go? All right. Well, anyway, so is what I did was take, and I just put that on the card like so. And you guys, oh, here they are. I put them back in the box when I was making room for my video. So I took a small sequin. Oops, missed the adhesive there. And just placed it right in the center of the little snowflake. I took a big sequin and just kind of randomly placed it down here, and then another small, and kind of added that down in the corner. And then on the inside, I never like just leaving the inside. I don't know who it is, but it's like, I think it's Kelly Atchison is always like, the party can't just stop on the front of the card. You have to carry it through to the inside. And then I always say no naked envelopes. So there's my take on naked envelopes. So I hope you like the alternate project. I think it's really pretty. It's really festive with the silver edged, foil edged card bases and envelopes. And like I said, if you don't have a demonstrator and you would like to order, I would love to have your business. So I hope you have a great day. And as I always say, create something beautiful today. Have a good day.